Okay, I'm back because I had to get my a new torch. So this is what it looks like when it's new. So that's a chef's torch. There you go, chef's torch. And what you put in there is just normal. I don't even know what it is. Let's see what's in there. I don't know. But you fill lighters. See there? It says lighter refill. I don't know. It works. Okay, guys. We're ready to do the big pour. So I'll put that away a little bit. And I think I'll do 3. That might be cool. Just do 3 in the middle here. And then it'll spread out, I'm hoping. Oops. So I'm going to do all 3 the same. Maybe the middle one I'll put in a little bit more of that rusty color because I like it so much. Turquoise, turquoise, turquoise. Putting it all in here. There we go. Now, if you're wondering the mix, it's the same mix that I did in the previous one. So nothing changed. Still the same mixture of pouring medium, polymer medium, PVA. That's that. And I'm gonna swirl them, that's for sure, because I want this color really popping up. So let's swirl a little bit. Swirling it. Uh-oh. Guys, really, I don't know what I'm doing lately. It's not working. I'm making a mess of everything. Okay. I'm going to do it quickly. I'm going to do it the slip of the wrist. I know, you're all saying, don't do that, Annemarie. It's going to make a mess. Well, we'll see. So this is number 1. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got them in the middle of the canvas. Now we're going to take it off. And take it off. I am going to scrape out most of it so that I can get it on the corners here. Because I want the corners nice and covered before I do any tilting. Nicely covered. There it goes. And this one. There it goes over the side. And I'm going to do a little bit of this. And then I'm going to torch it, and then I'm going to do the rest. Ooh. I'm not sure this is the right flame that I really want. Nope. Let me turn off the... That's better. That's a lot of cells. Now we want to stretch them a little bit. So I'm going to be covered in paint. I'm pretty sure about that, but that doesn't matter. So I'm going to pull it down there. That's pretty. Wow, that is pretty. Then we're going to pull it down there. That is pretty. Let it come down here. Ooh, that is really pretty. I like that. I really like this. We're gonna leave it just like that. But now we want to cover the other corners. So There it goes over that one. Oops. And now we need it to come down here. It's moving, 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 moving. I'm liking the stretch that it's doing, and now I want to stop. Okay. Let us look at this. This is awesome. This is really pretty. I like this. I am very satisfied with this one. And I'm really glad that this is going to be my final pour for today, because always stop when you're ahead, right? Just getting rid of a few little bubbles. Grab that one. Let's see. Okay. Now, when I look at it on the monitor, it is a little bit more busy than than it actually is, because there's a lot of glare on there. See that? That is beautiful. That is really pretty. And these cells are pretty big. Don't want to drip on it. Let's clean my hands a little. But what I see happening is in between the bigger cells, there are tiny little cells, and I kind of like that, like you see up here. And it just gives it a little different dimension, but I'm happy that I got all that rusty color popping up, and here I have the turquoise popping up, and then this beautiful middle section, center section, which sort of divides both colors, which I really love. So I'm very happy with this one. And this one is going to dry exactly as it is. There's not going to be any more movement. There's not going to be anything going on. This is just the way it's going to stay. And when it's dry, I'll show you. Because someone said, why don't you show your dried pieces? Yeah, that was a guy. I always show them, but later on in the videos, the upcoming videos. So when this is dry, I'll show it to you guys. Because this one is going to get a varnish layer, everything. So I'm going to put it away now. Okie dokie, and now we have a lot. Ooh, that is beautiful what's laying on there on the plastic. But I do want to do a couple of, so I'm going to take this. Oops. Let it come down. This is just like stone. I like that. And put this one on top. And I'm having a feeling this isn't going to really work, but we'll see. Oh, it might give us something pretty. Oops, don't fall over. Let's see. That's pretty enough. That's pretty enough to keep. But the other one, I'm going to give it a little bit more blue because I'm missing the blue. So we'll scoop that up, put it on top. And then let it come down a little bit there. And I'm going to give it a good old tap on the table. And now I'm going to let it come together in the middle. Not too keen about this one though. Let me see. Does have some nice stuff going on, that little squiggly thing there. That's kind of nice, but I'm not sure. But we'll keep it anyway. Now the paper is, like I said before, guys, this is just a, it's from the factory or somewhere where they make this paper. They didn't think it was up to par, so they sold it to some company that sells a lot of paper, and that's why I could buy it. But I don't think it's normally in the shops. I think it's more for the printer people that print your pictures and stuff. So I can't help you with that because you know, it would be way too expensive to send to the United States. That's the downside to everything. You know, why do Chinese people get free postage? Did you know that, guys? They get free postage because the government pays for it. And that's why all that stuff on eBay is always with free postage. Now, if everyone were to do that, right? Especially when it comes to drones. Oh, what a mess. Just want a few little itty bitty cells in this one. That's about it. Just a little bit like here. I like that. Gonna keep this one too. And one more, promise, just one. Because I see a lot of the brown here on the side. So we're going to scoop that all up. And let it cover the whole card. And now it's already 26 degrees in here, so this is going to be the last one, guys. And tomorrow I'm going to come back and do the drawing of last month. I'm going to be cleaning up this afternoon here in the studio. Then I have all the room to do the drawing tomorrow, and that's going to be fun. There it is. There it is. Okay. Oh, I really like that. But we're going to tap it on the table. Ooh, just a few little cells, not too much. That's it. More than enough. Let me get in really close. That is pretty. Okay, happy about that. What I forgot, guys, I forgot the sponsor list, the new updated sponsor list. I'm gonna put that behind the video, or maybe up front, I'm not sure, but I'll put that you know, just in here on a slide, because I can't go inside get the list and then show you, because that would take way too long. Okay, guys, wishing you all the most beautiful Sunday ever. Hope you get time to make some beautiful art. Remember, I love you all to pieces. Ich liebe euch alle, hoffe jullie allemaal. And I will see you in the next video. Later!